Hi there, it's been a while since the last Alfa Romeo Coupe, and especially a performance coupe. So today I decided to make my vision of how the Giulia Coupe could look. As a base, I have taken the current gen Giulia Quadrifoglio and made some changes here and there. So here it is, front view of my vision of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Coupe Quadrifoglio. Please take a look and tell me in the comments what do you think about it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also please visit my second channel, Cooking with Emet. Thanks again and see ya!